Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, I'll be making some baked chicken. So first you want to go ahead, cut, clean, wash and season your meat before cooking it. So I like to season it, let it sit and marinate a bit, if not overnight before cooking. Add some butter to my baking tin. Even though you don't have to, I like to put butter in it. Add the chicken. Once I add all the chicken, I like to cover it with some foil. When you cover it, it's gonna allow it to steam and make some water. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 45 minutes at 380 degrees. Let it cook halfway, remove it. That excess water that was made, you want to go ahead, remove it, add it to that bowl with all that seasoning and all, because that's where all the flavor is. Remove it, add the water to it, put some browning in it. I went ahead, used some browning because I like my chicken to have some color. I don't like the white chicken, so I'm going to add some browning in order to get that nice golden brown color. As you can see, I'm piercing the chicken to ensure that all that the inside is cooked properly. I don't want to be biting through my chicken and it's pure blood. So I'm going to go ahead, add the browning to this liquid that I'm removing from the chicken and then pour it back on the chicken. Then add my onions, scallion, thyme, potatoes. You can add whatever you want to add to your chicken, your baked chicken, but those are what I added, and then put it back in the oven and let it cook until it is well done. These are the vegetables that I'll be adding to my baked chicken. So I'll be adding bell peppers, onions, and some Irish potatoes. I won't be using any carrots. I'm just going to go ahead, cut them up, and then add them to the chicken. After adding all my vegetables, my bell peppers and all, I'm going to go ahead, put it back in the oven without covering it with any foil. Check on it occasionally to ensure that it's not burning or sticking before removing it from the oven once it is well done. Here you go, guys. This is it. Look at how beautiful this chicken is. It is nice and golden. Everything was cooked to the bone. I went ahead and plated it out. I put it on a bed like a bed of lettuce, and this was so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.